I have been coming here to this remote lake for almost 20 years, and it is winter that touches me like no other season. Coming here into the silence to walk through this frozen landscape in the depths of winter resets me and rekindles the joy I feel when in wild nature. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You can see behind me there the open water, which is going to give me a really great composition. I can actually hear the water running from here, so can't wait to get over there. You know, this is more about just being here and producing our work on site. I'm not so much worried about, what the work looks like, or, we're just going to go to a gallery. But it's more just about being, in this really special place and experiencing it and just spending some time here. So the paints are very cold. And it's going to be a bit of a challenge, but we'll see how we do. I don't know if the microphone is picking that up, but you can actually hear the pressure of the ice in the lake. It's a great sound. So I almost have what I'm looking for. As I said, it's a real quick work. It's going to be a very simple sky. This paint is so cold. It's like working with molasses. That's a pileated woodpecker over there. My hands are getting pretty cold now, so I have the basics down. So that's the field sketch, and tomorrow it'll dry out a little bit and I'll be able to go back into it. It is in places like this I find the counterculture, where calmness sets in, awareness levels rise. I feel connected here, as if this is where I am supposed to be.